Hey folks, Mobile Geezer back again, and I'm here today to give a thank you to all those subscribers who got me to 3,000 subscribers this week, and wanted to do a small giveaway just to say a little thank you. So I'm going to give away the iClever wireless Bluetooth speaker. I'll put a link in the description with my original unboxing, but as you can see, it's a pretty big speaker. It sounds really good, and just my small way of saying thank you to those who got me to 3,000 subscribers. So I guess my next goal will be at 5,000 subscribers, we'll hope. Anyway, I'll put a link to the giveaway in the description. It'll start today, September 1st at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 9 p.m. Pacific. And it will end next Saturday evening, the 7th at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. So then I'll pick a winner, and I'll send an email to get the information from the winner, and I'll send it along. Right now I can only open this up to US and Canada because the original speaker was about $50 on Amazon, which is unavailable right now, but I can't afford to send the postage costing more than what I'm giving away. So sorry for those outside the US and Canada, but right now it's just US and Canada. So once again, thank you. I'm very humbled for getting me to 3,000 subscribers, and hopefully we'll just keep growing, and hopefully you'll continue to enjoy my content. Thanks.
Yeah.